Hello everyone and welcome to Datrend Systems, your biomedical solution and test equipment provider since 1988. Today we introduce you to our premier electrical safety analyzer, vPad Rugged 2. Rugged 2 is a full-featured portable electrical safety analyzer that complies with AAMI ES1, IEC 60601, IEC 62353, and NFPA 99 safety testing standards. Going deeper, you'll soon realize vPad Rugged 2 is at the core of our solution by offering an intuitive user experience, user programmable test sequences, test equipment remote control, PM checklists, asset management, cloud integration, and best of all, on-device CMMS integration with many commercially available systems on the market. In today's video, we will focus on key features related to electrical safety testing. vPad Rugged 2 features an IP67 crush-proof enclosure designed for on-the-go technicians who are deployed in some of the harshest environments around the world, from Alaska in the US to some of the warmest countries along the equator. We're looking at the base of the unit. The 10 test lead posts can adapt to either ECG snaps or either 3mm or 4mm banana plugs. Not only are these connections used for leakage current testing in accordance with international standards, they also provide signal outputs from Rugged's built-in ECG Simulator. Rugged also features 4-wire Kelvin testing connections, standard on all of our safety analyzers. Just above, you'll find an AC input that's compatible with any main supply worldwide. Here's the fuse and the unit's ground. The center of the base features a country-specific receptacle. vPad Rugged can be supplied with a receptacle to suit almost any region worldwide. This side of the analyzer provides a USB connection to the tablet. Leaving this plugged in charges the tablet during operation. This connection can also be used to connect USB drives to copy or move files, or it can be used to connect the tablet to a PC. However, most of our customers have moved away from these legacy methods of transferring information from one system to another. Rugged's built-in data connectivity and synchronization works with cloud storage systems on the internet through our vPad Record Manager. vPad Rugged 2 comes with built-in 1 ohm and 100 microamp references to enable routine self-checks in between calibrations. Finally, the X-Bus port allows daisy chain connectivity of not only other Datrend test equipment, but also third-party test equipment providing serial interfaces. By connecting other test equipment to Rugged through the X-Bus port, our customers are able to perform electrical safety testing, equipment performance testing, patient simulation, and complete preventive maintenance procedures, all from a single user interface. Speaking of the display, the vPad Rugged 2 features our standard 10-inch Android tablet that is installed within the top of the enclosure. This replaces both the conventional LCD screen and fixed-function push buttons quite often seen in traditional old-school test equipment. Furthermore, by running intuitive software applications, or apps, we have not only changed the way biomeds and engineers use test equipment, but also how they go about doing their job more accurately and much more efficiently. vPad Rugged 2 comes standard with a suite of apps to help users with many aspects of their daily work. Our apps are designed to be intuitive and extremely easy to learn when compared to traditional test equipment. Once test records are created, users can print, convert to PDF, merge, archive, and even upload records directly to Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. Users can further improve their efficiency through automation apps for electrical safety testing, including the newly released multi-standard vPad EQT app, or the proven vPad NFPA, vPad AS, and vPad A6 apps. Furthermore, vPad Rugged 2 can run customized checklists and functional tests, manage assets with assigned test sequences, and integrate directly with commercially available CMMS systems. On the last point, with CMMS integration, users can download equipment information, work orders, electrical and checklist sequences, and more directly to the Android tablet. Once the work is complete, users can push their results back to the CMMS on the same interface and have work orders automatically closed in their CMMS software, saving a significant amount of admin time every day. vPad Rugged 2 may be one of the best electrical safety testers on the market, but by enabling users to customize their automated test and inspection and communicate directly with their CMMS, Rugged 2 has become the gold standard in preventive maintenance solutions. To learn more about our products, please subscribe to our channel or visit our website at the description below. This is Alex with Datrend Systems. Thank you for watching.